Hi everyone, this is Dr. Niti. Now today we are going to explain the verify Rolle's theorem for f of x equals to e power minus x sin x in the interval 0 comma pi. Already Rolle states that the function satisfies continuous and derivable, that is f of a equals to f of b. Here write Rolle states that the function continuous and derivable. Uh, Here given function means e power minus x sin x. We know that already here exponential function already continuous and derivable. Then automatically here sin x is continuous and derivable in the interval 0 comma pi. Now first of all write that here given function f of x equals to e power minus x sin x in the interval 0 comma pi. In the interval 0 comma pi. This is not given function. And also we know that the exponential function, I mean e power minus x is continuous and derivable, is continuous and derivable on the given interval 0 comma pi. Then sin x is also continuous and derivable. Therefore, now given function f of x equals to e power minus x sin x. That implies first of all here substitute in the given interval 0 comma pi. First of all, in place of x write 0. That is f of 0 e power minus 0 sin 0 is 0. Next that f of pi equals to e power minus pi into sin pi. This is also 0. Therefore, here f of 0 equals to e power minus 0 and sin 0 is 0. F of pi equals to e power minus pi sin pi. Here three conditions are satisfied. Here three conditions are satisfied. Also, here Rolle states that f dash of c equals to 0. There exists c belongs to a comma b. First of all, here given function means f of x. Therefore, f of x equals to e power minus x sin x. Now, differentiating this f dash of x equals to, here applying UV rule, I mean differentiation of UV. What is the differentiation of UV means? U into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. This is the formula, differentiation of UV, or this will get to write u into v dash plus v into u dash. This is the formula for differentiation of UV. Here applying the formula, differentiation of UV, first of all assume that the given function here e power minus x sin x, there are two functions is there. Assume that UV. Now get to differentiation means here using the formula differentiation of UV. So here u into, that is e power minus x into sin x here e power minus x is the constant, d by dx of v. Here v means assume that sin x, this is u, this is v. Assume that sin x, so differentiation of sin x means cos x. Plus now here sin x, I mean v is the constant, sin x into differentiation of e power minus x minus e power minus x. Now f dash of x equals to e power minus x cos x minus e power minus x sin x. But here the Rolle's theorem says that f dash of c equals to 0. First of all, here write f dash of c, I mean in place of x write c. That is e power minus x cos x minus e power minus x sin x. Next that now f dash of c equals to 0. That implies here f dash of c means e power minus x cos x minus e power minus x sin x. That is e power minus x cos x minus e power minus x sin x equals to 0. Okay, now here e power minus x means common. Now here e power minus x into cos x minus sin x. Cos x minus sin x equals to 0. Now here e power minus x equals to 0. Next that cos x minus sin x equals to 0. Now dividing in this cos x minus sin x by cos x, dividing cos x, I mean cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Sin x by cos x equals to 0. 1 minus tan x equals to 0. 1 minus tan x equals to 0. Okay, here f dash of c equals to 0. F dash of c equals to 0 means here write f dash of c equals to 0. That implies in place of x means write c. 1 minus tan c equals to 0. 1 minus tan c equals to 0. Here sin x by cos x equals to tan x. Next that 1 equals to tan c. In place of 1 write tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 equals to tan c. Therefore here c equals to pi by 4. C equals to pi by 4. C equals to pi by 4. Now c equals to pi by 4. Here minus x equals to log 0. Minus x equals to log 0, that is 0. Here e power minus x equals to 0 and cos x minus sin x equals to 0. E power minus x equals to 0 means write minus x equals to here log 0, that is 0. Okay, next cos x minus sin x equals to 0. After simplification we will get 1 minus tan x equals to 0. In place of x here substitute c. 1 minus tan c equals to 0. 1 equals to tan c. Here in place of 1 write tan pi by 4 equals to tan c. Therefore c equals to pi by 4. C equals to pi by 4. Here given function f of x equals to e power minus x sin x. Hence verified Rolle's theorem. Why? Because here the given function in the in pi by 4. I mean c is in the pi by 4. That is here Rolle states that if f dash of c equals to 0, there exists c belongs to a comma b. Therefore here c value means find out c value means pi by 4. Therefore c in the interval 0 comma pi. see here in the interval 0, pi. Therefore, hence, Rolle's theorem, verified. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Hence Rolle's theorem verified. Okay, thank you.